In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the process of accessing Notion's marketplace and integrating a daily log into your workspace. It's a straightforward guide that will walk you through each necessary step. To get started, let's open up any web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever you prefer and suits your needs best. Once your browser is up and running, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. Here, you're going to type Notion and press Enter. Doing so will pull up a list of search results that will lead you to where you need to go. Next, among these results, you'll spot the official website for Notion. Go ahead and click on it. Once the website opens, keep an eye on the right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click, and this will lead you into the Notion environment where you can access your personal or work account. After you're logged in, your journey to acquiring a daily log begins in the marketplace. Look for a tab or option labeled as Marketplace on the menu. If you're having a bit of trouble finding it, don't worry. There's a search option on the Marketplace page waiting to be utilized. Click on the search bar and type in Daily Log. Now, you should see several options popping up on your screen. Among these, you'll find something labeled simply as Daily Logs. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you're in, you might see a prompt or button that invites you to add or get this particular template. Don't hesitate to press it. If prompted again, click on Daily Logs to confirm your selection. With the Daily Log template now accessed, you have the opportunity to make it your own. Feel free to start customizing by altering or adding details that better fit your style and the needs. This customization aspect is what makes Notion such a powerful tool. You can tweak functionalities or the aesthetic to better serve your daily tasks, ensuring a more personal fit. Once you've personalized your daily log, you've essentially completed the process. Congratulations, you've integrated a new, useful feature into your Notion setup. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly add and customize a daily log in Notion, making the most of its capabilities to streamline your daily schedule. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials.